project is sustaining health outcomes through the private sector. USAID's flagship project in private sector health. In India, we seek to increase the use of short-acting contraceptive methods amongst the youth by leveraging the immense potential of social and behavior change. ShopsPlus found that in India, youth harbor misconceptions about sexuality and contraception. Many have no knowledge of safe sexual practices and have no access to confidential and credible information.
To successfully develop and share content for youth, a segment whose lifestyles, priorities and information needs are vastly different from those of the preceding generation, ShopsPlus conducted rigorous desk research, landscape and behavior analysis, and formative qualitative research. Evidence from this research identified the communication platforms that have a high rate of consumption and influence over the youth, and the unique way in which youth interact with the media. Based on this, ShopsPlus envisaged a surround sound behavior change strategy to connect with youth at various times of day. The strategy engaged social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube that were ranked high in content consumption among youth. To amplify the impact and establish deeper connect, channels like mass media, multiple on-ground and workplace interventions were used.
Take the case of OCPs. By using motivating and high on recall tunes like We Shall Overcome, which is popular among youth, the project set out to make the Goli a women's Hamjoli again. The campaign Hai Goli Mein Vishwas or I Have Faith in the Pill repositioned the advantage of contraceptive pills through impactful and sustained bursts of messaging on mass media, YouTube and Facebook.
Hai Goli Mein Vishwas.
Similarly, to bring bigger impetus to behavior change around safe sexual practices amongst the youth, various channels like MTV, digital and social media like Chatbot, and Facebook pages of 50 Shades of Ishq were used to connect with the youth. Popular everyday influencers were identified through research and collaborated with ShopsPlus to deliver messages in local languages that were equipped with behavioral nudges.
Deeper engagement with youth through on-ground activities played a pivotal role in breaking the communication barrier further. Activation through interactive and virtual games, street plays, fun-filled activities involving universities busted the myths around the contraceptive and provided impetus to women's agency in decision-making. The project's multilingual toll-free helpline number, innovative platforms like Chatbot, where they could ask questions privately along with workplace counseling sessions, also amplified the transformation.
The integrated SBC campaign's effect amplified beyond the estimated target by engaging in excess of 43 million people in India. By stimulating dialogue among the youth about condoms, their Facebook campaign established their high engagement with the targeted audience.
The deep impact of the communication manifested in Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand adopting the OCP TVCs as a part of their program implementation plan for financial year 2020-21, ensuring youth will receive accurate, relevant information they desire, thus making a difference to millions of young lives in the country, and would continue to do so as more and more private players now propose to join this transformational journey.
ISRN का जो इंडियन सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नेटवर्क का जो एक मोबाइल हेल्थ यूनिट चलता है, जिसके माध्यम से अभी तक हम 1 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचे हैं। और ये प्रयोग हमने शुरू में ShopsPlus के साथ मिलकर 6 राज्यों में किया, जिनमें अलग अलग जगहों पर ये ऑन ग्राउंड एक्टिविटीज की गई। उसका एक इम्पैक्ट देखने को आया है ग्राउंड में। आज बहुत सारे लोगों को अब ओपनली वो कंट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, कंडोम्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, फैमिली प्लानिंग जैसे इशूज को जिनको लेके समाज में एक टैबू था, अभी वो दूर हुआ है।